We're out here at South Heights where we had a broker open today. We were excited to show everybody this brand new community, and we'd love for you to see it too. Come check it out. We're going to show you our 2 floor plans out at South Heights. First, our 3-story unit. Let's go check it out. All right, so on this 3-story plan, we're gonna come in, you've got a first floor office / bedroom, full bath, and then we head upstairs and you've got a huge kitchen, and look at that bay of windows in the dining room and living room and this big island, and then head upstairs where you've got 2 more bedrooms, each with their own bathroom. And then my favorite feature at South Heights is every home out here in the community has a rooftop deck with a gas line so you can put your gas grill up on the rooftop deck. We've checked out our 3-story plan. Now I want you to see our 2-story plan. I think you're gonna like it. Come on, let's check it out. All right, so here in the 2-story plan, we've got 2 ground floor bedrooms and a full bath down here with the laundry room. And we head upstairs to the huge kitchen where you've got a bar that can sit at least 6 people. And then you've got a huge living and dining area. And then everyone's favorite part about these 2-story units is the primary suite, where you've got a huge tall ceiling and tons of natural light flowing in. Check out the windows up there. And then once again, everyone here at South Heights has a rooftop deck, and everybody also has a 1-car garage.